In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy GIMP. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I'll begin this video by downloading GIMP executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to GIMP download page. Here I will click on download GIMP, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And now that I have my executable, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will be placing the installation file in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers. And for that I will open my file explorer. And here I will enter my file server name, SRV02. Here I have this software share, I will go inside of it. And here I will create another folder. I will name it GIMP, I will go inside of it. And I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages, select new package. I will name the package GIMP. Then I will click on steps, install. Here I need to provide my executable installation file, and for that I will click on the button right here. Then I will once again go to my file server, SRV02, to my software share, GIMP folder, and select the executable that I have here. And now we need to provide silent switches for silent installation. And for that I will go back to my GitHub page. And here I have all the necessary silent switches for the silent installation. I will click on the button here to copy the value. Go back to PDQ Deploy, and I will insert the value here. And that's basically all that we need to do for our package. Now I will click on save and close the window here. And now I'll be deploying this package to my client machines. I will select the package in the list here. Then I will click on deploy once. And now to select my targets, I will click on choose targets, Active Directory, computers. I will select client 01 and client 02. Then I will click on the button here and the targets appear here. Then let's click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And that deployment is over now. We can see here that it was successful for both of my clients. But to double check, I will go to my client 01 that I have here. And then I will open my start menu, all apps, and I will search for GIMP. And we can see it here. I will click on it. And it seems to be working just fine. And that means that our deployment was successful. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.